We on recording? Okay, quick little video today, but first I got the idea for this and I followed the tutorial of Peter McKinnon, and I'll link his video below which shows you how to achieve this effect. Basically in that video he shows you how to make DSLR mirrorless digital camera footage look like it was shot on Super 8mm film, which if you don't know, Super 8 is that old school 80s kind of home movie vintage like feel. 4:3 aspect ratio, and it's dead grainy and it's kind of shaky cam feel to it, but I love it. Personally, I think it looks really nice. And for quite a while now I've been thinking that it's got a real place in wedding videography as a service, or like a niche product or an add-on to your existing packages. And if someone was wanting to offer something a little bit different, a little bit more niche, I think Super 8mm has a real place as an extra or even a full package in wedding videography. So the next clip you'll see is me testing out some of Peter's effects and his tutorial on some of my existing wedding film footage. And it's not to say that I'm going to start offering this as an add-on, as a service. I just thought I'd try it out, and I was curious to see how it'd look. But who knows, if it's really good and it goes down well, maybe I will offer it. But definitely think there's a place for it. So check this out and let me know what you think.